Welcome to the Sage Doctor to video on Sage 50, add a logo to Forms. To add a logo to Forms you have to click the Reports and Forms tab button. Then go to Forms, then go to Invoices and Packing Slips. Upon clicking the Invoices and Packing Slips will open a new window. In the Select a Report or Form window, click the invoice in the left panel. Then click the Customize button to customize the invoices and adding a logo. The invoice opens. Click Add to add a new logo picture. Click the logo or image. From the Documents lists, select the logo or image. Click Open to open logo or image. You can move the position of company name and address, the voice and fax location. You can readjust the logo and the text location. Then, click the Save button to save the changes. That is how you add a logo to Forms. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.